and welcome to the YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about golfer's elbow, one of the common reasons that could lead to experience of elbow pain. You must have heard about tennis elbow. Tennis elbow is one more common reason of elbow pain. But less heard is golfer's elbow, but is also one of an equally important condition that lead to experience of elbow pain. So, what is golfer's elbow? What causes golfer's elbow and how it is managed? We are going to discuss about all of these things in today's video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's begin. Friends, golfer's elbow basically stands for inflammation in the tendons of the muscles that lie in the forearm region and are attached in the inner aspect of your elbow joint. Hence, whenever a person experiences golfer's elbow, the pain would be experienced on the inner side of the elbow. On contrary, in tennis elbow, the person experiences pain on the outer side of the elbow joint. And that's why tennis elbow in medical terms is called as lateral epicondylitis, whereas golfer's elbow in medical terms is called as medial epicondylitis. A person who is suffering from golfer's elbow usually complains of pain on the inner side of the elbow. Pain and tenderness, stiffness, numbness or tingling sensation and weakness of grip. The cause of golfer's elbow comprise of wrong technique in racket sport, throwing sport, wrong weightlifting technique and overuse due to occupation. Even forceful repetitive movements are also one of the reasons which could lead to experience of golfer's elbow. These forceful repetitive movement could be due to some occupational movement which involves long involvement of wrist, forearm as well as elbow region. For example, people who are in the profession of driving are at higher risk of developing golfer's elbow compared to people who are not involved in regular elbow movements. Now, how does one know that a person is having golfer's elbow? So, how does one know that he or she is suffering from golfer's elbow? When you go to a doctor, the doctor will first ask your history. Basis your history and understanding of your occupation as well as your regular day-to-day activity, doctor will get an idea about the cause of pain. Apart from that, physical examination and some diagnostic tests like physical diagnostic test, which are also called as musculoskeletal special test, as well as some diagnostic tests like X-ray, MRI and ultrasound are some of the ways with which doctor can come to the conclusion whether it's an golfer's elbow or some other problem. Once the diagnosis is made, the treatment is further advised. The treatment of golfer's elbow comprises of medication, which incorporates use of medications like anti-inflammatory drugs, painkillers and muscle relaxants. Apart from that, physiotherapy plays a very crucial role in management of golfer's elbow. The first line of treatment is RICE regime, which stands for rest, ice, compression and elevation. Since this is an inflammation, giving adequate rest is one of the best way to achieve good recovery from the inflammation and damage that has happened to the tendon. Hence, rest is first thing, and avoiding the activity and identifying and avoiding the activity which is causing the aggravation of symptom has to be stopped immediately. Apart from that, with the help of either taping or else special belts, the rest or else immobilization is given to that particular tendon in order to prevent further inflammation or damage in the area. Along with this, ultrasound TENS or IFT is used in order to achieve pain relief. This, in addition to ice massage, is also one of the important way to reduce inflammation level. Once the pain has come under control, then gradually exercises are started. The exercises are divided in three phases or as three categories. The first category is normal range of motion exercises, followed by stretching exercises, that comes into the second category, and the third category of exercise are strengthening exercises. Golfer's elbow is easily preventable. If you identify certain factors and take care of it, you can prevent golfer's elbow to a lot of extent. What are these factors? First thing, if you identify the activity which is causing repeated trauma to your elbow region, and if you try to minimize or else correct or else modify that activity, you can prevent golfer's elbow to a lot of extent. The second common reason for golfer's elbow is wrong technique. Hence, making sure that in any kind of sports that you are involved into, or else in any kind of athletic activity you are involved into, or else in any kind of workout that you are involved into, if you are doing the technique in the right way, you will not land up developing golfer's elbow. Doing adequate warm-up as well as cool down is also one of an important way to prevent golfer's elbow. Make sure to do regular stretches before and after your workout or else your sports. Using right equipment is also one of the important way to prevent golfer's elbow. If your golfer's elbow is related to your occupation, make sure that the equipments or the tools that you are using is in a way that are ergonomically designed, which prevents further damage to your elbow region and thus helps you to prevent golfer's elbow. Lifting properly is also one of an important way to prevent golfer's elbow. We on a regular basis lift a lot of things, but most of the time when we lift, we are not aware about our technique. And sometimes if we go wrong in our technique, or else if we overdo this lifting activity, we might develop golfer's elbow. Hence, if we want to prevent golfer's elbow, we need to make sure that all the lifting tasks that we are doing are done in right way. And last but not the least, the important step to prevent golfer's elbow is giving adequate rest on a timely basis. Mostly repeated trauma can be reduced or else can be healed very well if proper rest periods are given in middle. Hence, make sure that if you are involved in any kind of activity which uses repeated hand motions, then it's important to give adequate rest in middle. In this way, you would be able to prevent golfer's elbow to a lot of extent. So friends, this was a brief about golfer's elbow. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.